Welcome back viewers. If you are tired of manually changing the date every single time you open a Microsoft Word template, so let's fix that permanently so Word does the tedious work for you. So open your document and click the exact spot where you want to date live. And now head up to the insert tab in the top ribbon. And now look over to the text group on the right side. Click on the quick part and click on the field. So in the categories drop down menu list, you need to select the date. And in the field properties, you need to select the date formats. I like this one. And make sure preserve formatting during update should be click on. And click OK to proceed. So that's it. Now every time you or your colleague open this document, Word will automatically update the field to display the today's exact date. So if this quick trick saved you a headache, smash that like button and hit subscribe with the notification bell turned on so you can never miss another time-saving tech hack. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.